So here I'm going to install this Tusk rear brake rotor on my Yamaha Raptor, and you can see it in comparison to the original equipment. Looks like a pretty nice upgrade. These typically cost anywhere from about $35 up to about $60 depending upon brand, etc. And I got these titanium bolts from Nice CNC, so these look pretty great. One thing, whenever you're doing a rotor, please clean that off beforehand with a little brake cleaner or paint thinner, lacquer thinner, something like that to help get that anti-rust coating off that can sometimes gum up your pads a bit. Alright, so I got those all torqued to 24 foot-pounds with some blue thread sealer on it, and looks pretty nice. Now to keep it from rotating, if you don't have wheels on it, I just put this in here and that kind of held that in place. But anyways, seems like a pretty good upgrade. See how it performs.